Oh, what's up guys, PurpleGun3603 or Darian here, back with another drawing video. I just did a Fortnite video. I just posted it. But yeah, let's get right to it. Hope you guys do enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy more drawing. If you guys like more drawing videos, make sure to subscribe and like. Yeah, that one drawing that I just posted like 3 minutes ago, actually is like probably one of like the most coolest things I came up with for a drawing. I don't know if other people have made it up, but yeah. Today I think we're gonna be drawing. I don't actually even know. I think I'm just making a random drawing video. I think today we're just gonna be drawing a normal Fortnite character holding its pickaxe. Okay, so you wanna draw a line. I'm trying to look at my phone, but it's probably not going to work out like that. You could make it longer, and then just draw 3 little lines, and then like a little bump right there. Okay. Draw another line. And then just draw a bunch of other circles like that. But you don't want to draw your finger like that. You want to do it like that. Actually, let's just color this in first because, yeah, why not? The drawing's not done yet, but that's fine. If you guys want to see, like I said, if you guys want to see me do more drawing videos, I'm probably going to come up with Fortnite character dabbing. We're doing the Get It Carlton dance. But I would have to practice a little bit, but yeah. There's that. Now you want to draw your little rectangle right there. Bowser. And then your pickaxe. But we're not going to do it that way. Let's just like that. And then bring it down, go like that, bring it down, like that. I'd be quiet. My roommate's coming upstairs, I think. My cousin. Draw her arms. Oh my god, LOL. Well, that's a broken arm. But you can't see the rest of this person's arm because, yeah. Draw that right there. Actually, here. There. Probably the worst drawing I've ever done. Oh my god, it looks so stupid. And just do... That's a PS4 logo. Because if you guys didn't know, you can go like that. And then it goes like that. It's basically right here. So I think it goes P. So it goes P, S. I think the 4 is this right here. So it's like a 4. I don't know. But yeah, this drawing looks pretty bad. Just make it like you're like a girl, like. Yay. Wait, hold on. There you go. That looks proper. Yes. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. And yeah, peace. Alright, peace.